Hello, Simai, and welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh, and I'm a Welsh learner. And today's phrase is something you might say at the end of a journey. And the phrase is, "Da ni wedi cyrraedd?" Have we arrived? Da ni wedi cyrraedd? And I'll say it slower so you can get the pronunciation. Da ni wedi cyrraedd. Da ni wedi cyrraedd? Have we arrived? Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you here again next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.